I love keeping variety in midweek family meals, but as well as being tasty, they've got to be quick. So today I'm with Harry Gottschalk, who's going to show us how to make an amazing dish using pork loin steak.
So if we start, first thing we're going to do is obviously heat my pan up, and I'm going to use coconut oil.
Lovely.
And the reason I'm doing that is because this is very much a South Indian dish. So I'm just going to pop that in there. So what we are going to use today, we've got some dried red chilies. These are called Kashmiri chilies. They've got that chili warmth, but they're really known for their lovely smoky flavour, but they're not overpowering. So if you want to dice that for me, that would be really helpful.
Sure.
So nice and fine. I'm going to put a few more of those seeds in. Can you smell that?
Smells really good.
To come through.
Okay, so they're minced.
Yes, please. So nice and finely chopped or minced, as fine as you can get it.
Love garlic.
Me too. We're going to move on to the pork. So all you need to do is just trim the extra fat. Just take it off with a really sharp knife, just get rid of it.
And it's such an easy cut to prepare, isn't it? And these strips would be brilliant for, as you say, stir fry. We think about chicken as the easy option if we're preparing anything from curries to stir fries, but this is just as easy.
Totally agree.
So seasoning into here.
Yep, so we are going to put some salt in there, just some normal sea salt, and one of the key flavours for South Indian dishes is actually pepper.
Okay.
A lot of people don't realise it, so we're going to put lots of pepper in there, and then I'm also going to put some turmeric in there.
Oh, lovely colour.
Oh, it's just beautiful. We're going to put in some tomatoes, so if you want to grab the tomatoes, they can go in. If you grab the pestle and mortar,
This is great.
it's got to be nice and heavy.
So much fun putting your own spices.
This is what kids love doing as well.
They do. And it's also a good chance to learn about it, isn't it? So you get to see where your spices come from a little bit more. But you can, of course, just buy the ground from a supermarket.
If we just use one chilli, so if we chop this up really nice and fine, if you're just also going to put some fresh ginger in, so I'm just going to grate it straight in. See how this is all thickened up? Yeah, so we're getting to that point where we're getting that masala or that base ready. So, do you want to pop the spices straight in there? Little bit of turmeric as well. Do you want to just grab that in and pop that in for me?
And I'm very much a taste as I go along kind of person
Me
as
too.
well.
Me too. So the tomatoes are broken down and everything is really melting together. So that's what a base masala should look like. It's almost like a paste, really thick and really, really potent and full of flavour. Indian food isn't about heat. It isn't about chili. It isn't about blowing your head off. Indian food is about layering of flavours, so you should get the warmth from the chili, but then that passes. So now if you add that pork in, we're wanting to get the flavours from that masala into the meat.
Yeah.
So if you sear it beforehand, you're going to
sealing them out.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So you see how the meat starts to change colour because it's essentially searing, but it's searing with the masala in there.
Yeah, and that's cooking really quickly. And that's what you want from a family midweek meal.
Absolutely.
You want it to be tasty, one pot and quick.
So the pork's going to cook for about 6 or 7 minutes. It doesn't need very long. Whilst that's doing that, do you want to just prep the beans for me?
Sure.
If you want a little bit of creaminess, then a little bit of coconut milk is really lovely. So once you get that coconut milk in there, look how that colour changes. It looks so beautiful, so vibrant, and you just want to dig in, don't you?
Absolutely, and you would just never guess that it's a quick cook recipe. And I think that's the thing with curries. You think, oh, I don't have time to be at the stove for hours, but look how quickly this has come together, and it smells incredible.
So these beans, beautifully chopped up, thank you. I'm going to pop those in.
What a colour on that! That is gorgeous.
It just makes you want to eat it, doesn't it? It makes you want to dive in. And it's not complicated, it's really simple to do. So I've turned that off because I'm pretty happy with the beans. I don't want them to overcook. I don't want them to go that horrible grey colour.
Yeah, lovely and vibrant.
Vibrant and green. So just to finish it, a little squeeze of lime juice, just to add a fruity tanginess. And then as I finish off, I'm going to put some fresh coriander in there and dish that up with a lovely rice. So thanks for your help today. This is my Karelin Pandi, which is a lovely pork dish, and it's a great dish to do for all the family and really good for weeknight meals. I hope you like it.
Love it. So good. It really makes pork a hero as well. Great.
For the full recipe, check out harrygottschalk.co.uk or check out the app. But for lots more pork-related recipes, have a look at lovepork.co.uk.